Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim a $30 bonus in XM Trading. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in XM Trading and then press on the first link. Now if you don't have an account, press on Get Started. If you have one, press on Login. After you are logged in to your account, if you didn't complete the steps and verify your account, all you need to do is press on verification here and verify your account, and they will give you $30 bonus, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.